Hey guys, my name's Oscar, and today I want to talk to you about my year in industry experience and why you should consider doing one if you're eligible. So, for a bit of context, I'm studying electronic engineering and music technology systems at the University of York. So, a year in industry, also known as a placement year or a sandwich year, is a structured work experience opportunity that integrates into your degree. It usually lasts between 9 to 12 months and is aimed at students in their penultimate year. It gives you valuable work experience that gets you recognised within your degree title, which looks great on your CV. In my opinion, it's one of the best ways to get real-world experience while studying, and honestly, at this latter half of my university career, it's been a real game changer for me whilst looking for jobs. At York, most departments offer this option, but they might call it slightly different things, as I've mentioned. So definitely check with your department coordinator or the careers and placements team. I did my placement at Focusrite, an audio technology company that is best known for their audio interfaces. I have a bunch of their products right here behind me that I picked up at my time there. Some really cool and interesting stuff that I worked on. I worked in the quality assurance department, or QA, where I got exposure to various teams and projects. Initially, my placement was supposed to be 12 months, but they extended it to 15 because they really needed me to continue this project I was working on, which, in my opinion, shows that they valued my contributions. One of the best things about my placement was getting hands-on experience in a real-world environment, and I learned a lot about the industry, how different teams collaborate, and most importantly, what I wanted to do in the future. I got to see how all the different parts of a company come together to create a product. It really helped me figure out, again, what I want to do in the future, and again, it looks really good on my CV. Current employers definitely look at it favorably when they're looking at applicants. In fact, there's a high chance I'll be returning to Focusrite after I graduate, which is really exciting. So this experience overall has given me a really huge advantage in my career development. So I'll go over again some of the benefits of doing a placement and why you should consider doing a year in industry. It boosts your employability. Employers love to see work experience on a CV. It's a great way to stand out when applying for graduate jobs. You gain valuable industry insights. You get to see how the industry works and decide if it's the right path for you, or even if you want to go in a slightly different direction. You develop really useful skills, from technical skills to communication and teamwork. A placement really helps you grow professionally, and it gives you a really good opportunity to apply some of the stuff that you've learned in your university career. It improves your work ethic. Coming back to university after working a full-time job, I found that my time management and my work ethic were much better, and significantly better than when I first started university and I didn't really know how to handle all of the workload. You can also save and make some money whilst you're there. Depending on the placement, you should be earning a salary, which can help you financially when you return to university. Some students even do a placement abroad, which is another exciting option if you're interested in working internationally. Now, the whole process can be quite daunting, but I do want to mention that there is plenty of support available throughout the process. At York, you'll get help with finding the placement. The university has great connections with lots of companies and provides career support. Now, it will depend on your department, and it is your responsibility overall to secure the placement, but they will help you with the process, such as application and interview prep. The careers and placements team can help you with your CV, cover letters, and even help you do mock interviews. Support during your placement. So you'll have a placement supervisor from the university checking in to make sure you're doing well. So there'll also be help returning to uni. If you're worried about things like accommodation when you come back, don't stress. There's a lot of guidance available on the website to help you integrate back into university. One thing to note is that you are responsible for finding and securing your placement, so start looking early. Roles start getting advertised around September, depending on the companies. You will also need to submit occasional reports to the university to update them on your progress. It's not a huge workload, but it's something to be aware of whilst balancing your work. So, would I recommend doing a year in industry? Absolutely. It's honestly one of the best decisions I made during my degree. It gave me confidence, experience, and connections that will definitely help in my career. If you're thinking about it, I'd say go for it. If you have any questions, make sure to check out the University Careers team or speak to students who've done it before, like myself. And if you end up deciding not to do it, or you've decided that you can't find a placement in time, it's fairly easy to go back and carry on just working at university. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped, and good luck with your studies and your placement search.